finally arrived. It was a long journey, but well worth, isn't it?
Can't wait.
Let's see the food. What are you eating?
Vegan barbecue pulled pork waffle.
And I'm eating an Italian crab.
And Italian.
What's the name?
Name of that one, like Italian.
Okay, we'll write down for you guys. And this is the Death on Chocolate Sundae, right? Something like
That's
that.
by chocolate.
Death by Chocolate Sundae. And now it's time to eat. We are fairly tired. I'm gonna tell you what happened soon. Action! Wake up, Diego. Why? Okay guys, this is what happened the last 2 days. We came from China to Bangkok and we didn't sleep in the last 2 days, so our flight was at 5:45 a.m. departing from Guangzhou Baiyun airport, so we had to leave home at 2 a.m. and we arrived here in Bangkok. We had to change money, everything. I was supposed to record this flying, all this moving thing coming from, because we are leaving China right now. We're gonna have like 1 month of island hopping here in Thailand, so a lot of new content for you guys, isn't it, baby? Woo! So we do look very tired, but we're gonna try our best to enjoy maximum because we love this place, you guys know. Because we are going now to watch the best sunset in Bangkok, the best place for a sunset in Bangkok, right? Which is behind my favorite temple. Water is my favorite temple. It's just beautiful. Let's go. Okay, there we go. We got a tuk-tuk for 100 baht. Let's watch our sunset. This river right here is Chao Phraya River. That's our favorite temple in Bangkok, Waterung. If you come to Bangkok, you have to visit that place. And across the river, you can watch the best sunset in Bangkok, in this city. Not specific in this rooftop, in this bar. There are many ones like this one right here. You just pick one, come, sit, and enjoy the sunsets.
Guys, I'm here walking in the street and I just see the fruit carts, the tuk-tuks, the smell in there. I just love this place. I'm so pleased we are back to Thailand.
Okay, so after walk to every place in Bangkok, we finally arrived. Mango! Aroy!
Vegan restaurant eating some salad.
Some salad.
No, this is a molten lava
right?
cake. Eating carrot here.
There you go, baby. Make the cut. Circle. It's like...
Oh, it's Christmas all over
like
again.
Yeah, later Christmas. That's exactly what came in my mind. Oh, Aroy. Aroy. It looks delicious, guys.
Yes.